Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be constructing an equilateral triangle. So what you're going to do first is determine the base length. So we use the base length of 8 millimeters. So this is a scale rule of 1:100. Using 8 millimeters as the base, we'll mark out point A and point B. After marking out your base points A and B, you use your compass, put your compass at point B, and then you open up to a length of 8 millimeters. That means the length at point A. And then after opening up to point A, bisect at an angle. You use the same pattern at point A and bisect another angle. The two bisectors will meet at a point, and from that point you can draw the line to meet point A, and also do the same for the other side to meet point B. So there you have it, your equilateral triangle. All that's left now is to outline it so it will be thicker. So that's it, your equilateral triangle. So please subscribe, like this video, and share, comment, and more videos will be on the way coming.